Today we have with us Ayushi Podar.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you, Ayushi. And she is a neuromarketing consultant and coach.
That is right.
So how do you like our campus, Ayushi?
It's actually very good. I am really amazed to see how big the campus is. It's so well maintained, and I absolutely love the vibe and the experience that is there. The students are very friendly, and I'm actually in love with the campus. Even though if it's on the outskirts, it has this offbeat touch to it. So I really like it.
It's really close to nature also, right?
It is, which is actually good.
Yeah.
We people from the city want to run away from the hustle, and this is where exactly the place is like. So
is this your first experience?
yes, so attending B school would be my first experience on this side. I've never done an MBA, so literally this is my first
So
experience.
you haven't done an MBA and you are into neuromarketing. So
Correct.
how did you think about getting into neuromarketing?
So my grandfather, my Nanaji, he introduced me to a book called The Nudge by Mr. Richard Thaler, who went on to win the Nobel Prize in Economics. And that's when my fascination for the subject began. And once I started reading and dwelling more into the topics, I started understanding the depth of the subject, and I identified a void in the Indian subcontinent, that this is a subject dominated in the United States of America.
Right.
And there's not a lot of material that's relevant in the Indian context, because what's working there will never work here for obvious reasons,
Definitely.
right?
A different demographic, different kind of
Exactly.
people.
And over here, people are way more price sensitive and material sensitive. The price points are different, and the standard of living is very different.
Right.
So I started doing my own research. So I'm a researcher on the side. I write research papers and all, and I carry out my own independent research to back my findings, and then develop them into different strategies that can actually subsequently help companies and to market their products or services to the audience.
Right. So you're a field expert. I'm sure there are not many field experts in India on this.
So there are different people in different divisions. So neuromarketing is one subject where there aren't a lot of people. We have a subject called NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming. We have some experts in that field though in the country, not in East Zone. They're pretty much dominated in the Delhi side or Bombay side. And then we have some people doing studies on behavioral economics. That is understanding how the economy is functioning in terms of behavior, where you study a lot of different types of bias. But that's again, these are two different fields. NLP is at a personal level. Behavioral economics is more towards growth of the economy vis-a-vis behavior. My subject is to understand the importance of psychology in consumer behavior.
Right.
That is where neuromarketing is. It's a very clear distinction between the others.
So as you said, you have worked with people in Delhi, in various parts of the country.
Yeah.
So in India, you know that there is a wide variety of culture, and every culture has a different psychology.
Sure.
Right. So can you give some views on how to make those studies based on the cultural diversity that we have?
See, the cultural diversity is massive in India. Every state has its own culture, right? And every culture has different subdivisions. But at the end of the day, who are we marketing to? Are we marketing it specifically to the culture in general, or are we marketing it to the humans and the people in general?
Right.
That is what needs to be decided, okay,
Right.
predominantly. We
Right.
are marketing to people.
Right.
And forget about India, okay? You go globally, there are 132 characteristics of people. So the three of us will possess a combination of 7 or 8 different personalities out of that 132. Okay?
Right.
So you will be probably, let's say I am somebody who's way more excited, who's good in public speaking. I am a researcher, and I like to travel. These will be my immediate qualities. On the contrary, you could be a party person, you could be a book lover, and plus you could be the nerdy, geeky guy
Quite
who
accurate.
stays in indoors. So that could be your set of qualities. More like Sheldon. I could be more like Penny, and you could be more like
Rajesh
How?
Kujrupalli.
Rajesh
Kujrupalli,
Kujrupalli, fine.
yeah.
So again, you can identify those qualities, right? And
Right.
people are bound to fall in any of those categories. So you design strategies for people with those qualities and not the culture specific. Because then what happens is, the more you get into the depth, the more niche your market becomes, and then the
Right.
segmentation becomes so difficult. Because see, understand something, neuromarketing is very qualitative in nature. Quantifying and measuring the results. अब मैं सांस ऐसे ले रही हूँ या ऐसे ले रही हूँ, ये तो आप देख के समझ पाओगे ना.
Right.
आप कैसे इसको करना बताओगे? How are you defining it in numerical forms? In
Right.
analytics. So marketing में क्या होता है? You can track the performance of an ad, there can be numbers attached to it in digital marketing.
Right.
तो उसमें क्या हो रहा है, there are numbers to back your data. But when you're training somebody for life skills or if you're training somebody for negotiation skills, how will you see? क्योंकि वो तो इंसान के execution पे depend करेगा ना पूरा.
Definitely.
So that is.
So you happen
At
to
such a-
mention.
at-
Yes.
sorry,
Go ahead.
how I'm just fascinated by this. Okay,
Okay.
you're young, fairly young, right?
Yeah.
And you're still a field expert. How did that happen at such a young age? I mean, him and I personally, I can tell you, we can never think of being field experts at this age at least.
No, it's completely fine. So see, the thing is, 4.5 years of research has gone in. Okay, I've
Right.
given in my day and night time. I've read. So when you read a lot of material, you're exposed to so much of content, right? There is no end to consuming content. Some of us are content creators on Instagram. So you are creating content maybe on fashion lines or lifestyle. But again, there is some sort of consumption happening.
Right.
Similarly, I've been told that Kushal is known to play flute.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Yeah.
he would be an expert probably in that. Maybe he wants to upskill that. Okay, you could be. You're very good in singing. I think I've heard you sing also.
I'm not
So-
very good.
But then you can upscale on that, right? So we all have this specific point. So similarly, I started doing a lot of reading. A lot of research has gone into this, and because again, it's easier to create a specialization in an area which is untapped rather than creating a specialization in an area which is already so
Already,
so
right.
again, अब मैं अगर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करूँगी, बहुत लोग मिल जाएंगे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करने के लिए, तो वहाँ पे मेरे लिए मेरा यूएसपी एस्टैब्लिश करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा.
Exactly. Actually, talking about this,
Yeah.
digital marketing, neuromarketing, you just said your field of research also.
Yeah.
I am a complete noob.
Hmm.
I'm sure he is, or I am sure he is.
Yes. 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 Fairly
Yeah.
sure.
What is the distinction between this digital marketing, neuromarketing? These are big words.
Yeah.
But is there a proper distinction?
Yeah, that's a very good question. So digital marketing में क्या होता है कि you understand where your audience is coming from, where are they going, okay? If they are when are they dropping out? How are they reacting? What is the engagement ratio? How are they interacting with the content in terms of whether they are liking something or whether they are probably spending more time in consuming that knowledge? That is digital marketing. उसमें analytics हो गया. Social media can be a part of digital marketing. So digital marketing is mostly anything that's happening on the internet. That is digital marketing, right?
Yeah.
आप कोई भी marketing strategy कर रहे हो, influencer marketing कर रहे हो, affiliate marketing कर रहे हो, social media marketing कर रहे हो, SEO कर रहे हो, keywords कर रहे हो, ये सब कुछ हो गया. अब keywords is, let's go step by step. Keyword अगर आप उठाते हो, keyword research कर रहे हो, there is a long form keyword, let's say best colleges, best MBA colleges in East India.
Yeah.
Then probably MDI मुर्शिदाबाद का नाम आ सकता है or something like that. ठीक है?
Right.
There can be IIM Calcutta. Then you can have probably some other IIT खड़गपुर का probably कोई program आ सकता
आ
है.
सकता है.
Some. So that is one thing that digital marketing will do. Now what neuro marketing will do is in that keyword lines only, what content are you pushing in? मतलब if are you typing are you typing best MBA colleges in East India? Are you moving up East India towards up best B schools in East India around Calcutta, something like that? If you're moving the words up, अगर आप 2 word ऊपर चढ़ाओगे उसी sentence construction में, तो उसका impact कितना होगा is what neuro marketing will study.
Okay.
So.
I am Ayushi Poddar. I am a nice girl.
हाँ.
Ayushi Poddar is a nice girl.
Both different sentences.
2 different sentences है, construction अलग है. तो न्यूरो मार्केटिंग क्या स्टडी करेगा कि what is the performance of both these sentences. Okay.
Nice.
So
That
what
is where
Right.
Yeah.
You happen to mention that neuromarketing will study the performances of different digital marketing things. That is what you are meaning to
no.
say.
So neuro marketing will understand what is impacting the human mind more. Performance digital marketing ही ट्रैक करेगा.
Right.
वो न्यूरो मार्केटिंग
What
नहीं
is
करेगा.
impacting the mind more?
तो
Correct.
here
Psychologically.
performance से हट के psychology पे चले गए.
Right.
Correct कि
That is what is happening and this is why it is happening.
Right.
yeah, why behind it? See, we have to understand that 3/4 of our decision making process, it's like the iceberg. Okay, only the tip is visible. आज हमको लगता है कि probably I am buying a muscle based का protein shake or something. ठीक है, मेरे को लग रहा है कि ठीक है चलो मेरे को पीयर से अच्छा रिव्यू मिला, मैं खरीद के खुद यूज करके देख लेती हूँ. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी नो.
Right.
बट व्हाट वी माइट नॉट नो इज maybe we are liking the packaging, the way it comes, maybe we are liking the price point, or maybe we are liking a couple of other things, probably in terms of testimonials, कि चलो मैं बहुत सारा देख रही हूँ लोगों को पुश करते हुए in terms of reviews की या मतलब they are putting it content की muscle blaze से मुझे इतना फ़ायदा हुआ. These are certain things which saliently we are consuming to end up making a decision whether I want to consume muscle blaze or not.
Yeah.
Right.
So
you happen to mention about packaging, right?
Yeah.
And packaging plays a huge role in marketing. Massive
Before
role.
that, I'm still very fascinated on this. Okay?
Right.
So before we get into that, and that is definitely valid. But yeah, so isn't this like a subconscious thing that we're doing every day?
Every day, every second.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably when I am talking, you guys are thinking what to ask me next. तुम लोग अभी इस मोमेंट कर रहे हो ना, तुम लोग इसी सेकंड कर रहे हो ना, तो every point we are consuming, मतलब we are exposed to this all throughout.
Yeah.
Maybe I am embracing myself of what next questions you might throw at me.
Right.
So this is
Definitely.
something that happens every second of our life. We are just not aware, and because we are not aware, we don't know what's happening.
Right.
आप जो चीज़ aware ही नहीं हो, आप कैसे उसके लिए prepare करोगे? How are you going to embrace yourself with
So
that?
on these
And
lines.
study of that is turned into neuromarketing when it
Yes.
applies to marketing.
Correct. When you take a commercial standpoint to it, जहाँ पे पैसे की बात आ जाती है,
हाँ.
वही न्यूरो मार्केटिंग आता है, क्योंकि न्यूरो इज
That is a
साइकोलॉजी.
very good culmination of whatever you have said
Yes.
about neuromarketing.
हाँ.
So for a new, for somebody who's an amateur who doesn't understand, see again ये इतना tech related है, मतलब there is so much science that goes into this, तो बहुत बट jargons आ जाते हैं,
हाँ.
तो लोगों को नहीं समझ में आते. मैं simply बोलती हूँ कि न्यूरो मार्केटिंग is nothing but psychology that is used in consumer behavior to understand why we are buying what we are buying. Simple.
That
इससे
makes so
easy
much
कुछ
sense.
नहीं
Makes so
होता
much
है.
sense. And
Coming
coming
back
to
to
the
that,
same question
Yeah,
on how
correct.
packaging plays a
I was
huge
actually
role.
scared when I heard the word
Yeah,
neuromarketing.
it's nothing. It's not French.
Easy, simple.
It's not French, Hebrew
Yeah.
or
Ah, the
something,
pa-
but
the packaging.
yeah,
Packaging.
the packaging one question. So the packaging obviously plays a huge role in marketing, and products are playing massive roles in creating something that will appeal to the customers,
ठीक है.
right?
Yeah.
So how does someone, some brands who are coming to new in the market, how should they package, or is there anything very specific related to neuromarketing in which the packaging industry can take
So
it?
how do you study the other person's brain to
Right.
develop your packaging?
Right.
Okay, that's a very good question, Kushal. So how you do that? Okay, there are एक तो गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स हो गए, FSSAI का रूल कि तुमको ये चीज़ें बतानी है अपने पैकेजिंग में, इंग्रेडिएंट्स बतानी है, एक्सपायरी डेट, एनी कॉशन पॉइंट्स एंड ऑल, ये तो तुम्हारे पैकेजिंग में मैंडेटरी रहेगा
Right,
बिकॉज
right.
एज पर एनी लेजिस्लेटिव लॉ ऑफ एनी कंट्री.
Right.
बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू न्यूरो मार्केटिंग, सो व्हाट कलर्स आर यू यूजिंग ऑन अ पैकेजिंग? आपका लोगों का प्रपोर्शन कितना है on the size? let's go with probably let's go with I have this OnePlus 4, ठीक है. यहाँ पे ये OnePlus का कवर है, आई डोंट नो इफ एनीबडी कैन सी, यहाँ पे एक OnePlus का है, ठीक है. सो OnePlus अपने बॉक्सेस को पैक करता है, रेड कलर का बॉक्स है. सो बिकॉज ब्रांड का लोगो में भी तो रेड है ना, सो ए पैकेजिंग इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड विद व्हाट कलर्स आर यू यूजिंग. वट एवर इज योर लोगो का कलर, your most marketing material including packaging should revolve around that. Why? Because it brings a brand recall value.
Right.
Second point would be, what are the fonts you are using?
Fonts also play a huge role.
Massive role ना बाबा. तो अब अगर मैं educational space या कोई corporate का बात करूँगी, they will use a non-sans serif font, which is a
Okay.
corporate font.
Corporate font.
So that would be a font जिसमें curve edges नहीं होंगे. They will be
Okay.
Arial, Times New Roman, ये fonts use होंगे. वहीं पे अगर मैं एक डिज़ाइनर हूँ, या मान लो कि मेरा कोई हाँ, इफ़ आई एम एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ डिज़ाइनर, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, फैशन डिज़ाइनर, ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर, तो आई विल यूज़ कर्वी
Flowy.
फॉन्ट्स जिसमें लेट्स से मोनोटाइपिक और सीविया करके एक फॉन्ट होता था जो बचपन में हम यूज़ करते थे, उस तरह का वी विल यूज़ फॉन्ट.
हाँ.
वहीं अगर मैं टेक रिलेटेड कंपनी हूँ, नीड फॉर स्पीड और मे बी लेट्स से Elon Musk का कोई, so
Sharp
then you
fonts.
will use sharp fonts,
Right.
very
Edges
sharp
and
fonts.
edges,
Points.
Correct.
triangular.
Maybe you will also use an italic font for that matter
Ah.
to convey speed and velocity.
Right.
Do you remember the NFS ka logo?
NFS
Yes,
का logo.
correct.
Yeah.
So
Interesting. Didn't it have like an F that was in an empty space?
yeah, that's what we call as negative space.
Negative space.
Negative space.
Yes.
Negative
Right.
space.
So the fonts play a role there. Second, third thing would be the proportion of text to graphic. So in any standard packaging material there is this predetermined कि आपका अगर इतना बड़ा space है, अगर आपका 1:1 है आपका space, this is probably a standard 1:1 square, तो उसमें आपका text should not be more than 17% of the entire space.
Okay. This
Okay.
is on applicable for Insta posts.
Insta posts and all. So every particular designing and packaging material will have a specific number that you can run via a test, and you can run the numbers कि ये इतना इसका dimensions है तो उसमें कितना होना चाहिए. A standard rule would be that anything should not exceed more than 17 to 30% depending on how big the graphic is.
So Instagram has this 1:1 square, 1:1 square,
17%.
and then is the reels are 9:16.
That is 9:16.
So what is the ratio of the reels?
That would be 34.7.
34.7.
Not more
And
than
how
that,
do
that's
we?
1/3.
What is the logic behind that?
So see, in any space, okay, कोई भी हम एक प्लेन ले लेते हैं, कोई भी एक तरह का एरिया ले लेते हैं, तो एक सर्टन अमाउंट ही एक इंसान कंज्यूम कर सकता है उसमें टेक्स्ट रीडेबल मटेरियल. हर इंसान सब चीज़ नहीं पढ़ेगा ना पूरा,
नहीं पढ़ेगा.
तो आप अगर उसमें पूरा भर दोगे, यार ये कोई PDF डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है, ये आप लोग का प्रेजेंटेशन भी नहीं है. To be honest, this is a normal material that you are sending out for a person to consume, so that you are selling, you are pitching, you are pushing something, right? तो आप इतना भी पुश नहीं कर सकते कि वो इंसान ओवरवेल्म हो जाए.
Right.
We can never do
Right,
that.
right.
And that is not something advisable. लोग भर देते हैं, यहाँ भी डाल दिया, वहाँ भी डाल दिया, अरे क्यों कर रहे हो आप यार, उतना ही करो. तो see, the shorter and crisp your communication is, the more efficient it will be. कम वर्ड्स में ज़्यादा करना, जैसे मिशन मंगल में बोला था, कम जगह में ज़्यादा चीज़ें भरना को ही स्पेस साइंटिस्ट बोलते हैं. सिमिलरली आपका मार्केटिंग में भी वही होता है. इट्स नो डिफरेंट, इट्स वेरी रिलेटेड टू व्हाट साइंस इज, एंड माय एंटायर कंटेंट इज बिल्ट ऑन दैट. सो आई हाईली बिलीव ऑन द लॉजिस्टिक्स एंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड all these recognition points.
Is it fair to say that apart from neuromarketing, you are also adept in the knowledge of tackling people? I'm sure we have seen it right now also.
Right.
I'm sure everybody can see it as well.
Yeah.
So you're very strong when it comes to presenting your opinions and everything. So how do you tackle with that? How do you channel yourself in the business world?
So
One more follow-up question on that. Does
अरे ये
neuromarketing play a role in tackling people?
Good.
Does
Does your
neuromarketing?
understanding of the
Yeah.
psychology?
Right.
yeah, it definitely does. So again, picking up from the very first thing that you said when we began this podcast is, at a very young age you've learned a lot of things. So this comes to me, this comes back to me when people may or may not take me seriously given my age. Okay, so I am considered to be fairly young in comparison to all the other dignitaries in my field who have doctoral degrees and everything. So they add a lot of value, but people may or may not take me as seriously. But that's when you establish a personality in front of your counterpart. Now your counterpart can be a colleague, it can be a peer, it can be a senior, it can be a client, it can be an interviewer for that matter, anybody whatsoever. See, the most important thing is never get intimidated by who the other person is sitting around you.
Right.
You have to have your confidence, you need to have your personality. See, the other person would need you as much as you need them. It might, the ratio might just vary a little. It's very important to keep your hold and always know your facts very very accurately. Precision is the key. अगर मैं बोलूँगी किसी को भी कि let's say you ask me to meet me. Okay, so I'll give you an example here only. No, so for Kushal had approached me for coming to MDI.
Yeah.
Right.
He told me
Right.
that these are the dates when people will be having their exams. So how about after that? I told him that no, after that I'll be traveling. How does he know whether I was traveling or not? I might have bluffed.
Bluffed. Definitely.
I could have bluffed.
Right.
So he doesn't know that, but he doesn't even know my schedule. So you have to make sure that you establish a chain of authority over that person. Now that can mean any capacity.
Right.
Point number 1. Point number 2 can be, see, always know your facts accurately. So if you are approaching a client or anybody, if you're even going out for an interview for that matter, you know that the other person might be hot-headed or he's going to grill you. You already know that. So just be prepared. No, just
Right.
go up front and tell that person that I know you're doing this on purpose to me, but keeping that aside, this is what I'm good at, which you might not have asked me, but I want you to know irrespective of that.
Right.
See, you can always be candid, okay? At our age, we can play this.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Especially with our
we
generation
can
and
do that, and
everything.
you can always own up to your things. I mean, if this happened with me with one of my clients, I was running late. He said that you're running behind your schedule. as per contractual agreements you need to pay damages. I was like, I'm sure I'll be ready to pay the damages, but you have to understand that if you make any more than the revenue that I promised, you have to pay me a certain percentage on interest on that. So would you be ready? Because my damages will nothing be in comparison to the kind of revenue that I'm going to get because of the delay.
Right.
If I'm delaying the work, that's because I'm working on some really creative
Quality.
content. It's more of the quality, and you're gonna, if I've promised you 7x, maybe you'll just end up making 8.7x.
Yeah.
So are you gonna pay me the interest of 1.7x that you're extra making on my efforts?
Yeah.
You're not gonna be willing to do that.
So
So
it's-
you're gonna, you need to revisit your thoughts on me paying the damages.
Yeah.
You can always spin the ball on the court when you know that your speech, your material, everything is on point.
So do you
कभी
think
घबराने का
it's
जरूरत
it's
नहीं है.
not just about being candid and confident, it's also about having the upper hand. And
See, upper hand is something you have to establish in the beginning. तुम बाद में नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप ये pretend करते हो लोगों के आगे कि yes you need them badly, or do not show that desperation.
Yeah.
Ever. Never do that with anybody, okay? Not even with your girlfriends if you have. So, I mean, seriously, you should not be doing that, because see, confidence is the key. That is why at this age I have had some really good projects with P&G and HUL. I mean, these are big companies and I've got it.
Definitely.
Yeah, I mean,
Definitely
I've worked with them.
commendable.
So, again, the point being is you have to establish your level of expertise and you have to hold on to that, because nobody's going to take that away from you.
So can we conclude on this lines that
can
tackling
I ask,
people?
Can I ask something first?
Yeah.
You always imply this strategy, no matter who's the client, who's the colleague.
Yeah.
Or are there situations where this can be tweaked and you
Yeah, of
might
course.
find it that another strategy might be viable for you?
See, personalizations to always happen. No?
हाँ.
It's very subjective and situation oriented.
हाँ.
ठीक है, so all the time having this firm grip might not always work. Sometimes you have to decide कि when do you need to let go. I mean, sometimes you can just lose control a little bit. That is absolutely fine.
ढील देना,
हाँ,
खींचना.
ढील दे दो ना बाबा, क्या ही होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा में.
हाँ.
आप आराम से चिल करो, नॉर्मल रहो.
हाँ.
So can we say that these tackling skills and neuromarketing can play a huge role in negotiation also?
Absolutely, यार negotiation तो एकदम बनता
That
है.
you gave an example of how you dealt with the client
Yeah.
on whether he is willing to pay the extra revenue that he'll be generating. So
अच्छा,
can
दिया
we
उसने
count
extra
it?
revenue?
क्या?
दिया उसने extra revenue.
We can save that for a next point of discussion. But yes, देख, negotiation में तो ये सब चलता ही रहता है. बहुत चीज़ें मैटर करती है ना यार. आप क्लाइंट से मिलने, आप किसी से भी मिलने जा रहे हो, आप कुकीज़ लेके जा रहे हो क्या यार? जैसे मुझे तो पता है कि मुझे पर्सनली चोको चिप्स कुकीज़ बहुत पसंद है, एंड आई लाइक न्यूटेला कुकीज़.
Chocolate chip cookies
Chocolate
लेके
chip
जाना है
cookies.
अभी अपने को.
तो मतलब वही बात
So we
है
know
ना.
that you like chocolate chip
Chocolate
cookies.
Yeah.
And you're a fan of chocolates also? Chocolates.
Little bit, yeah.
5-star, Dairy Milk.
Yeah, सब चलेगा.
सब
Anything
चलेगा.
मीठा. See now again the point being कि देख
So
मीठा
we
लेके
can
जाओगे ना.
we can carry on.
मीठा लेके जाओगे ना, सामने वाला कभी ना नहीं कर पाएगा. और मुंह मीठा करके शुरुआत करूँ, कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
But
So,
ये रिसर्च अपने को पहले करनी चाहिए थी.
Right.
अभी यहाँ टेबल पे बहुत सारी चॉकलेट्स रखी होती थी.
Right.
हाँ तो मैं probably खा भी रही होती.
खाते
सारा
पीते
दिन.
करते अपनी रिसर्च और क्या?
उसमें क्या जाता है?
उसमें क्या ही जा रहा है?
So,
अच्छा, ये मीठे वाले के पीछे कोई लॉजिक है या जस्ट?
हाँ, it maintains your blood sugar level. तो
हाँ.
अगर मान लो कि आप किसी से मीटिंग करने जा रहे हो, उस दिन उनका मूड कैसा है आपको तो नहीं पता ना.
हाँ.
मे बी वो पर्सन का मूड खराब है, मे बी उनका स्ट्रेस है, या मे बी ही इज जस्ट टू वर्कड अप, मे बी उनका घर में पर्सनल ग्राउंड पे भी तो कुछ झमेला हो सकता है
Right.
किसी के लाइफ में. हाउ डू यू नो दैट? बट आप मीठा लेके जाओगे, उनको जेस्चर दिखेगा सबसे पहले, ठीक है. बी, आप कभी खाली हाथ मत जाओ. मतलब whenever, दिस इज जनरल रूल ऑफ थंब कि आप जब मिलने जा रहे हो एंड somebody else's place, you should always take something or the other than promotional material. So ये सब, these are just small gestures that really matter to people. And जब आपका blood sugar level, glucose level normal रहता है ना, you're in a fairly better space to hear what the other person has to say, which is very important.
Definitely.
अगर वो सुनेंगे नहीं, वो समझेंगे नहीं तो आपके फेवर में डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पाएंगे कभी. Which is why if you notice all these departmental stores, ये ना चेकआउट काउंटर के वहाँ पे कैंडीज रखते हैं,
हाँ,
चॉकलेट वगैरह।
right.
क्यों?
Usually,
क्योंकि
हाँ।
पता है कि कई बार लॉन्ग लाइन रहता है, एंड एवरेज अंडरस्टैंडिंग इसकी एक लेडी अपने बच्चे को भी कई बार लेके आ जाती है,
Right.
घर पे नहीं छोड़ के
Right,
आती, तो
right,
वो
right.
बच्चा तो लेके
हमारे
वो छोड़ो
साथ
भाई,
भी हुआ
हम
वही है।
बच्चे हैं,
हम
हम
वही से-
लेके
हम खुद ही जाते
हैं,
थे,
मैं
खुद
खाती
chocolates
हूँ।
मैं
उठाता
खुद
हूँ।
चॉकलेट
And वहाँ
उठाता
पे
था।
guaranteed तुमको ऑफर्स मिलेगा,
हाँ,
1 पे 1 वेफर्स
one
पे
पे
कोई
one।
फ्री है, या मे बी वो जो किंडल जॉय का
Kinder
बॉटल है
Joy.
उस पे आपका कुछ
Even at
डिस्काउंट
the
है।
age, even at the age of 17, I used to take Kinder Joy, and my mom used to say कि
अरे
अरे
यार,
अभी
still
कितना
buy Kinder
बच्चा है
Joy.
क्या?
दिल तो बच्चा है जी ना,
हाँ,
मतलब वो
बच्चा
भी
है
age
क्या?
में चले जाओ।
But still यार,
तो
नहीं
भाई
मतलब Kinder Joy is still one of my
Ridiculous.
favorite chocolates. And more than the chocolate, I
हाँ.
like the toy.
you should sing that
no,
Dil
I
To
like the
Bachcha Hai
chocolate.
song.
Right now.
Yeah, sing that song. Maybe the audience is also going to get entertained with all that blabbering. So anyway, the point being कि sugar is important, right?
Right.
Not in terms of diabetes, but general. Yes. So these are the things that you should always keep in mind. मतलब negotiation में कभी भी घबराओ मत. लोग घबरा जाते हैं because तुमको पता है घबराने का reason क्या है? सिंपल रीजन है, दे आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन देमसेल्व्स और व्हाट कि उनके मुंह से क्या निकलेगा. द
Right.
मोमेंट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट यू विल नेवर स्टटर, यू विल नेवर हेजिटेट.
Right.
Yeah, if you have the confidence of knowing that whatever comes out of my mouth will be thought of first,
या
then वो चीज़
I
नहीं
have
होगी.
one question. I just came to my mind. Maybe it will be very illogical, but still, people are cutting down on sugar,
ठीक है.
right? People nowadays are cutting down on sugar to lose fat.
Does
Does that affect their mood?
That is such an interesting question, right?
Does that affect their mood while they because people are into business negotiation and all, they have to
Even
deal
with
with
the
clients.
like, there's an upheaval in the fitness industry and everything. No, I think all of us
Yeah.
are now a little
Right.
bit conscious about sugar.
Right,
intake that we
conscious
have.
about eating sugar. Maybe we'll not eat chocolates and we'll cut down on sugar. For people, I have seen people cutting down on sugar for 3 and 6 months.
Huh?
हाँ ठीक है.
Does that affect their conscience?
Do you think that does?
No.
in regular basis?
See, from a health point of view, it definitely does a lot, okay? It definitely works. But when, see, an average person needs to consume some amount of sugar. Now, it depends how healthy is that sugar. आप किस capacity में sugar खा रहे हो, ठीक है?
right.
आप अगर Indian मिठाई खा रहे हो, तो उसमें sugar will be probably made from natural sources, क्योंकि वो fresh है, मिठाई सड़ जाती है, it's perishable. But
Right.
अगर आप chocolate के form में खा रहे हो, कोई भी तरह का packed मीठा खा रहे हो,
Okay.
तो वो packaged है ना, उसमें
Preservatives.
preservatives है, तो
Right.
sugar में भी तो कहीं ना कहीं जा रहा है ना, ठीक है. इट रियली मैटर्स. शुगर के सब्स्टिट्यूट्स भी तो होते हैं ना. देखो, मैं ये नहीं
Right.
कर रही कि आप मीठा कट डाउन करो, मैं ये तो कभी बोल ही नहीं रही.
Right, right.
शुगर कट डाउन करो, बट शुगर के तो सब्स्टिट्यूट्स है ना. दिस
Substitutes,
जैगरी,
yes.
दिस हनी,
Honey, there's so many
there's so many other things. There are a lot of this gluten stuff and all also that's coming up nowadays. So there is replacement to everything. People are shifting from normal milk to soy milk, almond milk and all that stuff. So that's, you know, why are they doing that? यार दूध तो सालों से पी रहे हैं ना. हमारे तो ancestors पता नहीं
हाँ.
लोटा लोटा भर के दूध पी के बड़े हुए हैं.
इतना बड़ा बड़ा
हाँ, वही
लस्सी.
तो. हाँ, तो कितना
लस्सी.
दूध पीते हैं वो लोग, सोचो ना. अब वो लोग उस समय जब दूध पीते थे तो दूध अच्छी थी. This was
quality,
right
right.
after white revolution when we were actually getting good quality. अब तो दूध कितना, you know how the
मिलावट,
process
water,
is.
more than
मिलावट
milk.
छोड़ो यार, वो एनिमल पे कितने वो लोग मेडिसिन
हाँ,
यूज करके उनका
right.
प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाते हैं.
Right.
सो दैट इज व्हाई पीपल आर नॉट, एज लॉन्ग एज आप गांव के बंदे हो तब तो आप फिर भी अच्छा आपको वहाँ मिल जाएगा. शहर आते आते तो कितना ही खाए.
तब तो आप
बल्कि मैं तो बोलती हूँ कुत्ता छोड़ो, एक गाय को पाल लो, ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
यहाँ पे इतना स्पेस हो नहीं पाता था. वरना मैं तो पक्का पालता.
But again, jokes. That would be nice. It's got a ring to it. So again, that point being said, कि you can consume it in a lot of different forms, ठीक है. And at the end of the day, मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि आप दिन का 5 मीठा खाओ. वो तो करना ही नहीं.
Right,
मतलब
right.
आज के लोग 27, 28, 30 में लोगों को डायबिटीज हो रही है.
Diabetes.
तो
Right.
मतलब you can consume it in different forms, other forms. There are healthy forms also. So you do that, no. अब जब आप कुकीज लेके जा रहे हो, यार आजकल शुगर फ्री कुकीज आते
Sugar
हैं,
free.
ब्राउन शुगर से बने हुए कुकीज आते हैं. वो सब लेके जाओ ना बाबा, क्या ही होगा. इट माइट कॉस्ट यू अ लिटिल बिट एक्स्ट्रा, बट इट्स गोना बी कंप्लीटली वर्थ इट, बिकॉज देन दैट पर्सन विल बी अवेयर कि अच्छा आप उसके हेल्थ का भी
Health
ध्यान
का भी
रखिए.
ध्यान
आप
का भी ध्यान
कुछ
रखना.
भी नहीं
That
ला
is
रहे हो
also a
ना.
gesture.
See, these small things, even when you're going to a client or
Yeah.
you're going for a meeting, these small things might add up to his psyche of you.
Correct.
How he perceives you.
Absolutely.
Right.
Attention to detail.
Detail.
I mean, लोग ऐसे ही नहीं बोलते कि अटेंशन टू डिटेल रखने का ज़रूरी है. इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी वाइटल पॉइंट, बिकॉज
Right.
एट द एंड ना न्यूरो मार्केटिंग इज अ लॉट अबाउट दैट. इट्स वेरी स्पेसिफिक स्मॉल डिटेलिंग टू, आई मीन लाइक पैकेजिंग में मैंने बताया, और भी चीज़ों में मैंने बताया.
हाँ.
चॉइस में भी हो जाता है, मतलब वी आर सो ओवरवेल्म्ड विद द चॉइसेस.
Yeah.
So
see, you have happened to mention about a choice. This first neuromarketing study on Coca-Cola and Pepsi that we had
Yeah.
through fMRI scanner. So
Ah.
the brand
The
logo of
red.
Coca-Cola, the red color
Red
appeals
color.
to the
correct.
masses. Even if they are drinking Pepsi in the bottle of Coca-Cola, they have the same reaction.
Exactly.
Right. So that actually relates.
It really
to
does that.
कल एक बहुत interesting. I don't know if you were a part of this conversation or there was something we were talking about the reptilian brain and then there is this three kinds
Yeah.
of brain, right? That was
Yeah.
very fascinating. I found.
There's a left brain, there's a right brain, and then
Yeah.
there's a reptilian brain. Okay, so a left brain is the more tactical, logical, calculative side. तो आपका जो maths है, algebra है, दवाई 4 बजे लेना है या 5 बजे लेना है, वो सब लेफ्ट ब्रेन करता है. राइट ब्रेन क्या करता है? इट्स मोर ऑन द क्रिएटिव साइड, इट्स मोर आर्टिस्टिक, इट्स मोर डिजाइन ओरिएंटेड, इट्स
That's the
मोर ऑन
right
द
brain.
सडन. दैट्स द राइट ब्रेन. तो आपका गाना, आपका
My right
फ्लूट वहाँ
brain
से
is
आएगा.
Actually, we are sitting on the
Yeah,
left and right side also.
I'm talking about my side. Like left or right is सबका common है ना. How can
Right,
that be different
right.
for you or
Yeah, yeah.
anybody else?
Right.
So I mean आपका गाना गाने का, आपका फ्लूट बजाने का habit यहाँ से आता है, left
Okay.
right side से. मेरा न्यूरो मार्केटिंग लेफ्ट साइड से
Left
आता है
side
because
से,
that's
yeah.
more research, more analysis of all of that. And then the reptilian brain. So reptilian brain is a part that sits on the footer of both the brains. It's a combination. Like अगर ये brain का दो हिस्सा है like lungs, तो ये नीचे के side में बैठता है. So what happens with reptilian brain is that is the brain that decides most of our decisions.
The decision making process.
Yes, the decision making happens mostly there in that particular membrane of the brain.
Nice.
So and I mean, so brain में हर जगह अलग-अलग trigger points है, right?
Right. So we have to trigger that reptilian brain.
You can't do
As-
it normally. It just happens by default. It just
Okay.
happens to happen.
So is there
But
any
then-
process to go
You
there?
expand your vision. When I give you 5 different perspectives, your scope, your horizon of understanding goes up.
Ah.
As consumers, to buy something is also a decision. So as marketers, do we target the reptilian brain?
You want to get there now,
Yeah.
obviously, because लोग तो वहीं से decide कर रहे हैं ना.
हाँ.
So all the marketing efforts that I mentioned earlier in the last 30 minutes probably, you're doing it so that it reaches there.
Right.
So it is a ongoing process. जैसे एक normal SEO होता है, it's a normal process to get better visibility for your website, a better ranking on search
So
engines.
what is the process? Is there through the two parts, the creative part and the
नहीं, it's
thinking
about
part,
it's through the
critical part?
strategies ना बाबा. जो कुछ भी आप फॉन्ट्स क्या यूज़ कर रहे हो, कलर क्या यूज़ कर रहे हो, कम्युनिकेशन कैसे कर रहे हो, आप कितना चॉइसेस ऑफर कर रहे हो, आपका UI UX का इंटरफेस कैसा है, ऑल दीज
Everything.
थिंग्स
Holistically it plays a
Overall.
role.
ओवरऑल मतलब आप कुछ
Fascinating,
एक चीज
very
नहीं कर
fascinating.
सकते हो ना. सी देयर इज नो एंड टू दिस. आई कैन जस्ट कीप गोइंग ऑन एंड
Right,
ऑन.
right, actually.
So
Acha, what are your plans for the future now and foreseeable future? What do you think?
Yeah, I'd have definitely started my proprietorship right now. I want to convert this into an agency where I can actually help a lot of people, and that's the part of the consultant that you mentioned in the
intro.
in my intro. And the
Right.
coaching side would be I really want to train fresh minds like you. I mean marketing or any student who's open to having a new perspective, because this is the time which can actually shape. मतलब जैसे बोलते हैं ना, बच्चे को अगर हम बचपन में जो सिखाते हैं वो वही सीख के बड़ा होता है, राइट? आप बचपन में जो टेस्ट डेवलप हो जाता है हमारे बर्ड्स में, वही हम आगे
वही हम
कैरी
आगे
करते
carry
हैं. फिर इट
forward
बिकम्स
करते
वेरी डिफिकल्ट, हम बहुत रिजिड हो जाते हैं. सिमिलरली दिस इज द पॉइंट वेयर आई फील आई कैन स्टेप इन एंड आई कैन नर्चर. आई मीन होपिंग दैट वन फाइन डे न्यूरो मार्केटिंग इज एडेड एज अ कोर इलेक्टिव इन द मार्केटिंग स्पेशलाइजेशन एज वन ऑफ द
We'll wait
papers.
for that day
When
also.
I researched about neuromarketing, there were not many people who
Yeah.
came in the searches.
Even when we were searching for what is neuromarketing,
Ah.
who all are researching, that's why I came up with the question of, I think you are one of the only field experts.
There are a few others also, like I know a very highly respected gentleman, Mr. Shoman Chatterjee. So there are a few, but see, we are like the underdogs of the industry, right? We don't really come up popping, but we are there. We are
Right.
trying to establish this. Yeah, जैसे AI, VR सब अभी establish हो रहे. We are at the right time, and we are
Yes, that's
headed in the
exactly
right
what I'm
direction.
saying.
Like
Right.
in 3
More
to
than
4
the
years.
underdogs, I would think you guys are the next in coming.
Yeah, this is what the future is going to be like, especially after with Meta and everything.
Yeah.
Right.
Everybody is moving so digital. Everything is so data driven. I mean, all the mining that's happening even in crypto side also to it. So I mean, this is the direction, and I think in good 3-4 years we will be in a much better position, even in the country wise also. And yeah, hoping to take this to
How
great
far do you
levels.
think is this neuromarketing thing going to start for a major part of the consumers?
It's already started.
It's
People
here.
are not knowing it. That's the
Ah.
problem. So see, most companies don't have the bandwidth to hire experts or go out there and do research. Okay? All the big players that we know in the industry, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Fevicol, anybody, Pidilite, जो भी है, Happydent, see, they have that kind of an established market. These are big players. Let's not talk about this. There are MSMEs यार, जो नहीं कर पाते हैं, जो कर सकते हैं probably. So those are the underdogs of the industry,
right.
and we are the underdogs of the marketing space. So there needs to be, this gap needs to be bridged, which is where we are getting at, and hopefully in the next few years, in the foreseeable future, we're going to get there.
Hopefully.
Definitely. We're also
we
very-
definitely hope
Yeah.
to be the contributors in these.
Definitely. Maybe we also
We
get
are
these
aspiring
opportunities in
marketing
the-
aspirants.
Because of the efforts that you put in today, maybe we'll get opportunities.
We'll get the
in future.
opportunities.
I'm
All of us.
Exactly.
Thank you
Great.
so much,
Thank
Ayushi.
you so
Thank
much.
you so much for
Thank
being
you so
here.
much.
Thank you so much, Ayushi.
It was a wonderful conversation.
Likewise.
We had a wonderful conversation.
Yes, absolutely. Chalo, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, guys, that was the Mcast with Ayushi Podar, a neuromarketing consultant and coach. We'll see you next time. Stay tuned.
Bye bye.